So we're still sitting on the contact between the Mylor slate and the granites here. It's still dipping about 30 degrees to the west. My left foot is on the Mylor slate, my right foot's in the granite. And so you can see the contact here. And you can see right at the contact that there's some quite coarse-grained granite. And the crystals are growing away from the Mylor slate into the granite like this, the way that my pencil is. Okay, that then grows into some quite fine-grained material, what we would call an aplite, and this is the chilled margin of the granite. Beyond that, about 3 feet or so, you get into the flow-banded, the flow-aligned feldspar phenocrysts, and the alignment of the feldspars are parallel with the contact here. The reason that we have very coarse-grained material right at the boundary, rather than having a chilled margin right at the boundary, is because water-rich fluids have been exsolved from the granite. They're less dense than the granite, so they've come to the top, and they've been trapped by the country rock and flowed up that interface. And as they've flowed up, they've cooled down, and these granite materials have crystallized from these water-rich fluids. So they're much coarser grained because the waters have a much lower viscosity. If you were to be able to look down directly on that surface, you should see that the feldspars are quite nice rectangular cross-section, because they're these little needles, fingers which are growing into the granite. We call this a comb texture, because when you see it side on, it often looks like combs of where the teeth of the comb are the feldspar crystals growing into the granite.